In this video, I will show you how to set partial take profit in Exness. So firstly, you want to make some kind of order. So I will click on buy and you need to choose your volume. So I have 0.10 volume. Then you can also set this take profit. So you can drag it like this and your stop loss. Then you want to confirm by 0.10 lots and this will create your order. And now if you look here, you can see it in open. So this order is open. Volume is 0.10 and now here you can also see your profit loss. And to set partial take profit, you can click on this modify position next to this, and from here you can customize it however you want. So you can drag this like this and this, or you can also close it partially. So if you click on partial close, here you can also close, like let's say I want to close just half of the order, so I will type 0.05. Estimated profit is 2 euros. So if I confirm, the position will be partially closed and I have those 2 euros profit, and the half of the order is still opened, as you can see. So if I click on closed, you can see it here in history. I closed half of the order with 2 euros profit. So if I go back to open, I'm currently 5 euros in profit. So I can take, let's say, another half of this. So I will click on modify position, then partial close, and let's say volume to close. I will type, let's say 2, and this is estimated profit. So if I close it, now I have only 0.03 volume and other 0.07 was closed. And this is how you can set partial take profit in Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.